In our business, we love the feedback we get from our customers. So when we receive a great review, we just have to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. And here's what our customer had to say in our latest online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and client satisfaction. We take pride in our service being rated 5 stars by our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers, and you'd be amazed at how we work to earn that loyalty. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.